Welcome to my channel guys. In this video, I am going to explain about prospectus and its contents. Company can issue shares or debentures to general public. Public will buy the shares or debentures of that company only when they are aware of the company. For this, what the company does is, company prepares prospectus. Prospectus is the document which invites public to buy or subscribe the shares or debentures of the company. In short, prospectus is the invitation which is given to general public to buy or subscribe the shares or debentures of the company. Content of prospectus. The prospectus contains the main objective of the company, for what reason the company was started, main objective, and also the name and address of the signatories of the memorandum of association. That is, the person one who signs the memorandum of association, such person's name and address should also be stated in the prospectus. And also the number of shares held by the person one who signs the memorandum of association will be stated. Number 2, name, address and occupation of directors and managing directors of that company. Number 3, number and class of shares and debentures. Number 4, qualification share of directors and the interest of directors for the promotion of company should also be stated in the prospectus. Directors, secretaries and treasurers, particulars and remuneration will also be stated in prospectus. Profits or reserves which is capitalized, particulars related to this data should also be stated in the prospectus. Name and address of vendor from whom any property has been acquired, such persons details, the amount and the amount to be paid or already paid, it should be stated in the prospectus. Number, description and document of shares or debentures which is issued other than cash within 2 preceding years. This data also to be stated in the prospectus. Minimum subscription amount should be mentioned in prospectus. Lifetime of the company should also be stated in the prospectus. Name and address of auditors, bankers and solicitors should be stated in prospectus. Preliminary expenses amount should be mentioned in prospectus. Time and place where copies of balance sheet, profit and loss account and the auditor's report which is to be inspected should also be mentioned in the prospectus. And finally, the auditor's report based on the P&L account of the company. If the company has already issued shares earlier, already they would have issued shares, that time they would have issued prospectus to invite the public to buy the shares. So after issue of prospectus for 5 financial year, all the years report which the auditor prepares, that also should be stated in the prospectus. So this is what all about prospectus and its contents.